work. Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot!
Karina Thinula super chatted $2.64. Hi.
Go ahead and sit back and relax and take a nice long nap.
Okay.
It's a comfy bed, huh? So this is my 400,000 subscriber special.
Wow.
Everybody's been begging me to have you on the sleep stream. So every time someone donates, it's going to be my voice screaming really loudly. So without further ado, we're just going to sit back, relax, take a nice long sleep. Got your goggles on? That's great. All right, well, good night, everybody.
Good night.
Don't play any noises.
No.
This is nice.
Nice. Oh.
It's a comfy bed, huh?
Yeah.
Real comfy bed.
Yeah.
I set it up
Stop
myself.
talking. I want to sleep.
Nobody's talking except me.
Why don't I hear noise?
What do you mean, why don't you hear
I
noise?
thought you said it was going to be noisy and I couldn't sleep.
Oh, well, they're being nice. They're not playing any noises right now.
Guys, thanks so much.
Yeah, thanks, guys, for not playing any videos or anything like that.
Yeah.
Good night, everybody.
Good night.
Okay. You can sleep now.
Okay.
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot.
The Rich Twins super chatted $2. What was that sound of the donation?
No, that's nothing. All right, dude, go back to sleep. That was a glitch. That was a glitch. That didn't. That was
Someone just wake up, idiot!
Fishing Bros super chatted $1.99. Finale, you egg is a mama egg too.
My mom is not an egg. Good night, everybody. Okay. Just be quiet, guys. Just be quiet. All right, we're just trying to sleep here.
There's something disgusting. Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot!
YouTuber 34
All right,
super
just give us a
chatted
couple
$1.
minutes to settle down, at least.
Oh my gosh.
Good God, everybody, relax. Okay, just.
No, I just want to.
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot!
Macroblox super.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice and relaxing time.
Oh.
Good night.
These sheets kind of smell. Did you wash them?
That was not my bed. That was little sister's bed, so.
God, how dare you access? That's it. Execute Penisfinity Eternities.
Huh?
What?
Guys, just can you be quiet?
What was that? It said, like, something about access infinity. I'm not sure what that was, but anyway. Guys, she's sleeping. Look. My mom is falling asleep. Somebody do a really, really loud noise. Somebody play something really loud and let's see what happens.
4 cars, got another limit.
Sorry.
Stop!
I didn't know it was going to be that loud.
That's so loud!
I'm sorry.
You said it wasn't going to be that loud and I
sorry.
could actually sleep.
I'm sorry! I
Ah!
didn't mean to do that.
Ugh.
Guys, do it again. Okay, let's go to bed. Okay. All right, good night.
Bruh.
I'm okay.
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot!
April Fisher
Pigeons,
super
mate.
chatted $1.22.
Oh, how long is this going to last?
Just fall asleep and you won't be able to
I
hear it.
almost am asleep and then...
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot!
And then I
Graspatier
wake up
Gaming
and
super
it's
chatted
asleep.
$1.06.
Oh, that's easy for you to say.
All you have to do is close your eyes and imagine a nice, beautiful land.
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot!
Khalid Jalil super chatted $1.98. Steak Mom Big Yacht. Speaking Sillet. Speaking Sillet. Speaking Sillet. Speaking Sillet.
Don't
Speaking
worry.
Sillet.
I'll turn it
Speaking
down.
Sillet. Speaking Sillet.
Don't worry.
Speaking Sillet. Speaking Sillet.
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot!
The True Man Face
I'm
super
turning it
chatted
down, don't worry.
99 cents.
Don't worry, chat. I'm turning it down. Okay, so. Don't worry, guys. I will turn it down.
Barbecue bacon burger.
Marvin World 999 super chatted $50. Stop playing the goofy videos.
Yeah, guys, stop doing that.
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot!
Alright.
Okay, so... Oh, thanks for the $50, Marvin. What a nice guy. He donated $50.
Poor guy feels bad for me because I can't sleep.
He said, stop playing the goofy videos. I kind of agree with him. I'm not going to lie. Okay, good night, guys. See you later. It's okay. That was just a glitch. That was a glitch. It's okay. Don't worry. Just go back to sleep. That was a glitch.
Can you stop?
Stop what?
You're being annoying.
What am I doing?
Oh my god!
What?
Like they're noisy, you're noisy. I just want to sleep.
I'm not doing anything.
Yes, you're going.
No.
Dato no la tiene.
I'm okay. Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot!
MBW's super chatted $2. Mommy has a yacht.
It's they said mommy has a yacht. I don't know what that
What's a
means.
yacht?
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot! Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot!
Khalil super chatted $1.98. Steak mom giant to size.
Oh!
Relax, okay?
Guys!
Just let us fall asleep. That's all we ask for. Just be quiet for one simple minute. Okay. I'm gonna go lay in the bed. What?
When you know about we had this one.
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot!
Also dead super chatted $1.
It's okay, just
You're probably just experiencing digital hallucination.
put the goggles on and take a nap.
I was on.
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot!
BB number 6666 super chatted $2.44. High against steak of fun. Left.
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot!
Confirmed super chatted $1.99.
Okay. Let's all just relax and take a nap.
Just experiencing digital hallucinations from your.
This is the dumbest thing ever.
No, it's not.
It's so dumb.
Just go to sleep.
I can't. They're too noisy.
They're not being
You
noisy.
guys just stop.
Just make them stop.
Stop.
Tell
Okay,
them you're
please.
gonna ground them.
Please. Please stop. I just want to take a nap.
She just wants to take a nap, guys.
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot!
Khalid Jalil super chatted $1.98.
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot!
All right, guys.
Okay.
Relax. Okay, we're about to fall asleep. Okay.
Gosh, I was so close to falling asleep that time. But no, you have to.
Hello, this is your former President Barack Obama, and I just want to tell you I know how to beatbox with a little bit of yeah.
Yeah, put it over your ears so that you can sleep. That's a great idea. I have never said you had a big head. That's not true.
Who said I had a big head? When did he tell? Guys, hey.
You can go up and read it if you want.
Gosh!
What?
It's scary out there.
You can just go up and read the donations. Look, they're being really nice. They're donating.
I don't want donations. Why do you want donations? We're just trying to sleep.
Oh, hell no.
Ever again.
It's okay, just a couple.
Never again.
That was a
That
glitch.
is so...
I don't know what that sound was.
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot.
Khalid Jalil super chatted $1.98. Hey steak mom, steak said the F word.
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot.
Edie20 super chatted $2.12. Hi steaks mom, how are the children behaving?
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot.
ABIGAIL super chatted $1.99. Lol.
You said the fig word?
I did not say the F word. That's...
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot.
Doji God super chatted $1.99. Steaks mom, steak curses so much.
I do not... I've never sworn. Stop telling her that, you guys. That's...
Marvin World 999 super chatted $10. Stop, let them sleep.
Let me sleep. Thank you, Marvin.
Shout out Marvin. Yeah, that's
let
right.
them-
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot.
Night Girl super chatted
You're right, terrible. Let's try that again.
$2.44. Dancer, 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 dancer.
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot.
Lamarian Boxley super chatted $1.99. Supply, barra 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 barra. Microphone, microphone, microphone,
that's enough.
microphone,
Enough with
microphone,
microphones.
microphone, 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 microphone.
Why are
Just
you...
want to sleep.
Child abuse?
Oh.
Don't hit me. Cotton 4K, you abuse... Okay. Do not. Just go to sleep, okay? Stop it. Go to sleep. Everybody spam. Let the man sleep. Stop!
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot.
Bushler super chatted $1.99. Steak said the F word multiple times. Peach, 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 peach,
I did not. That's a
peach,
lie.
peach,
I did not.
peach, peach.
I have never...
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot.
Steak super chatted $1.99. Guys, I'm secretly sending videos to annoy my
That's
mom.
not me!
What's up, dudes? Am I actually live? I'm in San Francisco right now. We're going to the Roblox Developer Conference.
It all... Okay, just,
Stop. I've told you to not swear.
Just go-
And they're telling me you're swearing.
I've never sworn before. That's not true.
My God.
Just go ahead and take a nap right now. It's okay.
No, I can't now. You've worked me up.
No, it's okay. Just go to sleep.
Not your cat for the Rizzler. You're so scared of me. You're so phantom tax.
Marvin World 999 super chatted $10. Stop the goofy video and Steak didn't say no bad word.
Do not attack. See, I didn't say any bad words. He's right.
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot.
Dotty Lab super chatted $2.
Isn't that right, Bubbles?
Steak said the even worst word than the F war.
No, I did not. Don't put the pillow down. Put the pillow
What? Okay.
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot.
Steak super chatted $1.99. My mom is annoying. She deserves to be annoyed.
Oh, God, no!
Right there!
Fuck! That's not me. That's someone else. That's...
Oh!
Guys, do not send the swearing. Stop doing that. Don't send the swearing. Okay. Okay, guys. All right, everybody just chill. Okay? Just relax. I did not do the swear words, okay? I've not sworn in my life. I'm a good man. I'm a man of God. I do not say the bad words. All right, guys? Stop, please. Okay.
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot!
That's cap. I've heard you said the F word before.
Fuck. Fuck! Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot!
Suzanne Martinson super chatted $1.99. He has been looking at pictures of pregnant woman, pregnant woman, pregnant woman, pregnant woman, pregnant woman, pregnant woman, pregnant woman.
I have not been looking at pictures of pregnant.
I am gonna stop this stream right now.
No, 5 more minutes, please. Please, just 5 more minutes.
5 minutes, that's all. If this does not end, it's
Look,
done.
they'll stop.
Okay.
Everybody will stop, I promise.
Okay.
Please, guys.
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot!
Khalid Jalil super chatted $1.98. Steak mom steak call you a child beater and f-word. Silhouetted busts.
That is not true. He is.
You said I was what?
I didn't say anything. He's lying to you.
What?
No, I didn't. I did not say that, okay? He's no.
I'm done and I'm ending your stream.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. We'll be.
Fuck. Fuck.
Stop. Yeah, I don't know what that was. Go to sleep, Kate. That's not me. Just go to sleep. I don't know. That's. Guys, stop sending that video. Okay, that's not.
Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot!
Marvin World 999 super chatted $5. Stop steak didn't say a bad word.
What?
Shit. Someone just donated. Wake up, idiot!
Cyber super chatted $1.48. Popcorn, 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 popcorn,
That's not me!
Bruh.